Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Good morning. How are you all?
Fine. You?
I am also well. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to say something before you. True to say, I am not a good speaker. Anyway, I will try to deliver my speech on today's topic. The topics are self-introduction and family. Dear friend, now I would like to say something about myself. This is Sahir bin Habib. My nickname is Sahir. I am 9 years old. I am from Charia. I study at Knowledge School and College in class 4. I want to be a successful doctor. My favorite hobby is playing football. My favorite color is black. My favorite food is biryani. That's all about myself. Dear friend, now I would like to say something about my family. My father's name is Habibullah. He is no more. My mother's name is Sabrina Hassan. She is a teacher. My grandfather is a teacher. My grandmother is a housewife. I have no brother and no sister. That's all about my family. Now I would like to finish here today. Thank you again and see you again. Assalamu alaikum.